Okay guys, here's another simple little project. This is a lamp base that I picked up from Goodwill for $2.99. You can find these at any secondhand shop. They always have like an endless supply of old lamps. Then you're gonna need a skull, just a little plastic skull. You can find these, of course, in various sizes. This one just happened to be the right size for this lamp. Whatever you get, you'll have to make sure it's the right size. I spray painted the lamp base just with a flat black spray paint, then cut a hole in the bottom of the skull that'll fit directly into the lamp, and then I cut a hole at the top, as you can see. Let's push this down on here. And I cut it a little bigger, and then I picked up one of these little flicker bulbs. I'll add that in. And it makes a really cheap, cute prop. Okay guys, this is another way to make a cheap little Halloween display. This is one of the just regular plastic pumpkins. You can buy them in different colors, orange, most of them seem in orange. This one's purple, but you can pick these up at Walmart, really cheap. The bottom actually is a dish that I got from Goodwill. As you can see, it's just a little metal dish. And I used E6000 glue to glue it onto the bottom, and spray painted the whole thing in a shiny black. I did cut off the little handle because you won't need this. Now to finish off the top edge, we're just going to take some ribbon, and I like to use the one with the wire in it. And we're just gonna hot glue that around the top, and it will look like this. And here they are, all set up. A very inexpensive display, but it makes a big statement. Hope you guys enjoyed.